Hawaii lovers, welcome or welcome back to condo hunting in Honolulu. If you were here for the last video, you saw building number 1, building number 2, and building number 3. Today we'll go over the pros and cons of each and find out which one we picked. That first unit we looked at, the best pro was that it was a 2-bedroom, and also the kitchen had nice appliances and countertops. The biggest con was the window that was taken out of the second bedroom. Also, it had no air conditioning. The next unit was like a resort. That was probably the biggest pro, but it also had a large living area. It did have some cons. There was no AC, it had carpet, and you'll always need a car. Building number 3, unit 1. It was a high floor, it had AC, it was move-in ready. Cons were pretty much 0. The next unit in the same building was a high floor, so that was a pro. It had good flooring, it had good kitchen cabinets. It did have some cons. The biggest to me was that there was no lanai. The bathroom needed a complete remodel and it needed new appliances. Pros on the next unit: central air, nice kitchen, nice lanai, and a small ocean view. The cons were replacing the furnishings and a little bit of a lower floor. So there you have it. Which one do you think we picked? We picked the high floor remodel. But we didn't get it. But it was okay. Back to the drawing board, time to make an offer on something else. And that something else was the next unit, still across the street from this beautiful beach. At the end of the day, we got our little slice of paradise, and I couldn't be happier or more grateful. As you enter the condo, we're going to replace everything that you see there except for the sofa and the recliner. In the kitchen, we're going to replace the stove. Everything else is okay. The furniture is fine, but it's just not our style, so we've decided to donate it all to local families. We also have plans to get the whole place painted, just to give it a little touch up. Now the lanai is my favorite room in the entire place. You can sit out there and watch your ocean view. Those slider windows to the outside open all the way to the side. Here's the kitchen, the stove that we're about to replace. And as you go into the hallway, it does have in-unit laundry. Maybe in a year we'll replace the bathroom. For right now it's fine. Another closet. The bedroom furniture will be donated as well. You can get to the lanai from the bedroom. I think that's pretty cool. The best view is actually from this bedroom. Let me show you. Just across the street you can see the hotel, and just past that, a small ocean view. Any ocean view is better than no ocean view. Ready for the after? Here you go. So as you come through the front door, you can see that we had the place painted. We got rid of the heavier, clunkier furniture. It really wasn't our style. We donated them to families, and we did replace the stove. That's the only thing we needed to do in the kitchen right away. So we found this store in Honolulu called the Apartment Store, and it's actually owned by Ashley Furniture, and that's where we got this fun table and chair set. Everything is just a little bit smaller for city living. There's the recliner and the sofa that we kept. It's so comfortable. We just wanted to brighten the place up and make it look a little less crowded. This is my favorite. I love that area rug. That was my obsession. Our fake plant. It's so relaxing to sit out there. And you can slide those windows all the way open. There's our view. Small ocean view. Like I said before, better than no ocean view. And I just love how everything is much more light and bright now. So this is the door to the hallway, which leads to the bedroom. There's one of 2 closets. As you can see, we painted and we redid all the furniture. 2 luggage racks. Most of this came from Amazon. The king bed came from, I think, Ashley. I'll post a link in the description to all our products that we bought. The view is actually better from this room than from the lanai. There you go. You can see surfers there every morning. Okay, there's our bathroom. The only thing we did so far was we trimmed the mirror and we laid down new tile on the floor. Hopefully in a year, we'll redo the whole bathroom, put a stand-up shower in there. Thanks for following along. We've had a lot of fun with this process and we were excited to share it with everyone.